Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Fil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last 6 months, bulls could barely initiate a sustainable rally and succumb to the long-term bearish trendline resistance, dashed. The alt now aimed to enter into a tight phase in the $18-20 mark before testing its critical support and making a trend cometal move. At press time, Fil traded at $18.38, down by 2.37% in the last 24 hours. Over the past year, Fil lost more than 92% of its value, and witnessed a rather swift downturn. They all saw two descending triangles in the last 6 months as the bears displayed their one-sided dominance. Consequently, it fell below its near-term EMAs, while forming a sturdy trendline resistance. Not surprisingly, yes. As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Firepin, FRPN, looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, Tez, are two such currencies that fared very well during their pre-sale, XTZ. With the Filecoin, Fil, pre-sale started in 2017, it had already generated more than $250 million United States dollars. The debut of Filecoin, Fil, was well worth it for investors. It jumped from $11.02 to $28.39 in its first week on CoinMarketCap, an increase of more than 150%. Filecoin hit a record high of $237.24 in April of 2021. The top price of the cryptocurrency marks a 4,600% gain from its ICO price of $5. As of its height, a $1,000 investment in Fil would have been valued at about $50,000. Tezos XTZ is another coin that started its pre-sale in 2017 and is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history. Tezos XTZ raised almost $232 million in less than 2 weeks. Of that amount to cover the risk of slashing. Based on the current conditions in the Filecoin network, custodian miners earn about 60 to 80% of tokens, the company's calculations cited. By minimizing capital costs, FOSS allows space providers to increase their participation and increase block rewards. The tool promotes network support, not Fil speculation, the firm said. Dharma noted that thanks to their product, the network can gain greater diversification. According to their estimates, 65% of the storage capacity is provided by participants from China. The company is counting on interest from residents of the US, Europe, and Australia. The first group of FOSS participants increased the network capacity by 600 PB. Recall that in January, the CFTC fined the Polymarket prediction platform $1.4 million for servicing trading in over-the-counter binary options without proper registration. Subscribe to Forklog News on Telegram. Forklog feed the entire news feed. Forklog the most important news, infographics and opinions. And second news today is Russia really about to cut itself off from the internet? The inbot mark before a pullback. Go next, it is Near Protocol, Near, since its ath on 15 January, Near lost 83% of its value, and rushed toward its 11-week low on 24 February. Moreover, it lost its crucial $10.9 level resistance, previous support. Near witnessed an ascending channel, breakdown on its 4-hour chart. This fall formed a strong bearish trendline support, yellow, dashed. While the $7.6 horizontal support coincided with the trendline support, Near picked itself up from the $7.6 level. With over 29.6% gains in the last 4 days, it reclaimed lost $9.5 support and displayed a bullish edge. At press time, the alt was trading at $9.752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ATX stood quiet. Don't have to look too far for its Filecoin, FRPN. Their presale began just over a week ago, and early investors are already reaping the rewards. One of the newest cryptocurrencies, Filecoin token, FRPN, has a lot of potential for development in 2022. Filecoin will provide access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, Sol, and Avalanche, AVAX, FRPN. Several solutions will be combined, so that holders may do multi-chain swaps at the least price and timely rates feasible. A 15% presale allocation of Filecoin, FRPN, will be available on PancakeSwap, PS, and Uniswap, US. As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Filecoin, FRPN, looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Phil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21, and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12.